We'll take it from there. Yeah, I'll hook this up, dude. I got it. Hey, well,
Hey, go back up there where you're supposed to be.
So listen, fucking torch, man. Just torch, bro.
You did line them all up, didn't you?
All right, yeah, but I want to shoot some stuff in. All right. So like, man, I don't even know where to start. Because my torch, look, this fucking shit, dude. We don't have a torch.
At all? Is that the new one you just bought?
Yeah, fucking new torch, bro.
Well, look, he's in regulation. He's got about like,
he's
got a
this
real
fucking,
torch.
yeah, dude, he bought that last year, man.
Yeah.
Exactly, man. Shit. Fuck, man. All right, man. Let's see. So my torch isn't hitting it. So
He's got his.
yeah. Let's yep. Fucking win, dude. I think we should keep. Yeah. Let's start setting some shit up, dude. That's it.
Look, you like these?
Yep.
Let's get these to go this way.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna get fucking
Oh yeah.
over there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah, so since you have a torch, dude, so we can get a few at a time, right?
Yeah, you can a few at a time, dude.
Fuck yeah. Dude, I'm thinking like...
Wait till it gets mad dark. Dude.
Yeah,
Your shit's too good to waste.
Yeah, dude. Let's,
I mean, it's about that fucking time.
It's getting dark, but let's do some reports, bro. Yeah, let's shoot some rockets. I mean, we'll get some.
You got those reloads there?
Yeah.
What's this bad boy here?
180. Yeah, dude, do you want to hit the Juneteenth?
Dude, that's shallow, man. That's shallow.
It's crazy, dude. I can't believe it. Look at that. I know.
You want that?
Fuck it. Go ahead, man. Oh, shit. Alright, so.
You're gonna have to use this.
Yeah, dude.
You're gonna have to use it.
Yeah, bro. Alright, so then, let me. It's, They are?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, alright. So let's kind of refigure this out. Yeah. Okay.
That would have been no good. That would have been awful.
Yeah, we're gonna have everything has to point that way. How much time you got on that?
A lot.
Nice.
We did the whole thing. We put it in the fireworks. So you think-
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Nice.
Hi, Mason, talk to me. What do you need?
I mean, I think we.
Are you ready?
But yeah, let's get some of these, and then as these are going, we'll knock yours out. You know, I think we should maybe like do like one, kind of see what's up here.
Let's go.
Just start knocking it. Start knocking something.
A Juneteenth. Hit that one. Is that one hit? Fucking iron the hole, man. And that one. And just keep it going, dude. The whole time. Oh yeah, there it is. That's it. Oh. Oh. Damn. Yo, this shit is like back. Whoa, shit. All right. let's always keep this shit up. Let's just keep. I fucking don't have something to wrap this with, man.
You have a lighter?
No, bro. Oh, a fucking lighter. Yeah, dude, just hit a bunch of. Yeah, hit a bunch of them, bro. We'll keep them going. And keep your going. Attack. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Oh shit, dude. Right there. Oh. What? Oh shit.
There's a hurdle.
Where's Merrick? Alright. Go ahead. Hit him up. Hit him up. If you can. See, that's what sucks, dude. That's, dude, you know who that is? Nancy Pelosi. That's Nancy Pelosi. Ah, dude. There you go. Get that shit. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. We gotta keep some shit lit here. Yes. I cannot keep these fuckers. Alright. Where has
Trigger.
Okay. Watch out. That's going that way. That's good too. Okay, so. Go. Got it?
Fucking die. Like it's in Iraq.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Whoa, dude.
Don't get hurt. It's all fun and games for someone loses an eye.
Shit, dude. I didn't know what you guys had going on there.
I didn't. I was with you.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hold up. Oh, shit. My phone's over there somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, over here. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Thank you, man. Awesome. That was just the fucking. That.
Beautiful over the water.
Yes, dude. Yes. Yeah, right over the water, bro. I want to hit this freaking. I want these things to hit the water.
Pull the wedge.
Yeah.
one at a time. Hopefully we take off.
Where's the
Down there.
okay.
Run. Back up. Arnold. I know.
Oh shit, it actually moved this way. Oh, I hit it. Hit it. Oh, shit. Yeah. Yeah! You! Shit. Yeah!
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, bitch. That was sick, bro. That was sick. Keep that, keep that bitches going. Happy birthday, Merrick. Bro, keep fucking hitting this side. I mean, oh yeah, dude. Whatever, man. Wherever you can get to.
Some of them, they have to face a certain direction, and that's why the lift's on the back.
This one, all right. Wow. Okay, we still got all these, man. The gusher. Yeah. And I'm gonna, dude, these are going in the water, man. All right, send it in. Where's it going?
Let's go that way.
Which way?
Up.
Oh, up. Okay. Shit, dude. Alright, I get this bitch in the water, dude. In the water. Just light it. I'll take care of it. Light it. I'll hold it. Stop. Yeah. Oh, that shit's getting warm. It's getting more fucking warm, huh? Hold up. Oh man.
Got it,
Right.
got it, got it, got it, got it.
Oh shit. Shit. Shit, that's the wrong way, man. Which way is it going? Shit, okay. Oh, that sucks. So that's where I want to get in the water. So that one too. Wow, shit. All right.
Not this one?
Huh. We got UAP activity already, bro. Look. We've been seeing a lot of them bitches up here, dude. We're out here. But yeah. I was bouncing mortars off the water last night. It was awesome. We get some like bouncing off the water. All right. Okay. Oh Heads up. Guillotines. Now one of them. Yeah. Now one of that. Who's that? Two. Alright, who got this one too? Right? Listen, no. Alright, hit that motherfucker right there. There you go. There you go.
Now,
There it is. Now, right there. Go. Oh, shit. It's a double, man. Oh, shit. Oh! Whoa! Oh, shit. Whoa. Yo.
those things are awesome.
Yo, take some of these mortars, bro, and hit the beach, dude.
Like that one.
In the water, dude. Watch it bounce off the fucking water. Yo, that was sick, dude. That was sick. Whatever we got, dude. Let's see. I got something over here. Wow, dude. That shit shakes you, man. Wow. Wow. Not all. So,
You want to angle this?
yeah, let's angle them like in the water, bro. There's 3 of them here. Got that. Here's this one. Here's the wick here. Where's your wick? On this side?
Yeah.
Alright. So we can get these things bouncing off the water. Wow. Jeez. Oh, shit. Alright. There you go.
They're both there.
Nice, dude. Sweet.
Somehow.
Alright. Where's that? More videos. I know. Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
That's freaking nice.
Yeah, keep on, go. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Yeah. And now, go ahead. Nice, man. That is sick. All right. Shit. Okay. Get that shit out. Why? I can't get it.